Using bevel and subdivision surface modifiers in Blender when modeling stylized chubby models is essential for several reasons. Smoothness and roundness. Chubby models often have rounded features and smooth curves. The subdivision surface modifier helps to create these round shapes by subdividing the mesh and smoothing out the surfaces. Edge definition. Beveling edges is crucial for defining the shapes and features of a stylized chubby character. It adds a small, rounded edge to the model, making it visually appealing and preventing sharp, unrealistic angles. Cartoon aesthetics. Stylized characters, including chubby ones, often aim for a more cartoonish or exaggerated appearance. The combination of subdivision and bevel helps achieve this look by softening harsh angles and adding a pleasing, rounded quality to the model. Sculpting flexibility. These modifiers allow you to work with a lower poly base mesh while still achieving high-quality results. This is especially important if you plan to sculpt or make changes to the model later on, since a lower poly base is easier to manipulate. Efficiency. Subdivision surface and bevel modifiers allow you to work more efficiently by keeping your base mesh relatively simple. This is beneficial for performance and ease of editing. You can adjust the level of subdivision to balance detail and performance. Consistency. These modifiers help maintain consistency in your model's level of detail. You can apply them to multiple parts of the model uniformly, ensuring a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing result.